In this video, I will explain how you can create complex waterfall charts in Empower. These are, for example, waterfall charts that consist of multiple waterfalls in one chart. I will now show you how to create such a chart. First, I navigate the Elements button in my Empower ribbon and then click on the little arrow next to Charts. Here you can directly see that we have different waterfall types that you can use as a starting point for your work. A multi-stacked waterfall already consists of different waterfalls in one chart, but because I want to show you how you can create this, I'm going to work with a stacked waterfall chart in this case. Then I'm going to navigate to the action bar above my chart and click on Edit Data. Now the mini Excel opens where I can work on the data of my chart. To display a sum in the chart, it is necessary to create a new column and put an X right here. As you can see, we have two sums in this chart, a subtotal and a total sum. Each sum adds all the different data points that come before it, so that the subtotal adds up all these data points and the total sum adds up all data points in this chart. However, I right now want to create a new waterfall after the subtotal sum. Therefore, I insert a new column in my mini Excel and type in the keyword new, like that. Now you can see that a new waterfall starts right here and doesn't go up from the subtotal sum. With this keyword, it is also possible to add a single column to my waterfall chart, and I achieve this if only one column follows after the column with the keyword new. So if I would delete this column right here, I simply have a column next to my waterfall, which is also desired in some cases. Moreover, it is also possible to start the new waterfall not only at the value 0, but at any desired value. To do this, I simply add the desired value after my new keyword. Press enter, and now you can see that this new waterfall starts at the value of 500. But I'm going to put this one back right here. And another feature that I want to show you is the possibility that Empower offers you to place a series on the waterfall that is not included in the waterfall calculation. This can be useful when certain values cannot be reliably assumed and should only be shown as possible. To do this, I simply click on the series menu right here and, for example, define that the series 2 should be on top of the waterfall. Now all the values that are shown in a light blue are not included in the calculation, for example, of the subtotal, but also of the steps of my waterfall. Moreover, I can select the fill color of a series right here if I want to make it more easier to understand that this is a series that only shows possible values. I hope this video has helped you to understand how easy it is to create complex waterfall charts in Empower, and I hope you understood which features Empower offers you while working with waterfall charts. Thanks for watching and goodbye.